Hey, it's Ole from PhotOle Photography. Today we have 2 new packages in the mail. Again, it's cameras for us to look at and inspect. So let's see what we got. This one. Pretty neat. Looks like we have a land camera. It's the 320. Right there. Bellows look good. Extends pretty well. And then our serial number is BB388437. Rollers look clean. And the battery compartment is a 3-volt, so it's super easy to turn it into battery conversion. So there we go. It's the 320. Let's see what we have in the next box. This box is a little bigger, so I'm curious to see what we have in this one. Oh, looks like another land camera. And a Hulk Pez. But this land camera has a case with it, so let's see which model it is. It's a 210. There we go. Extend is good. Let's see which serial number. It is ZM614097. So, still has an empty cartridge in it. And this is a 3-volt as well, so it's going to be very easy to do battery conversion for them. So, that's it. For the unboxing, we got 2 land cameras to convert and incredible Hulk Pez dispenser. So, thank you for watching my video. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email, ole@photole.com.